What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Put on my shoes. And should I go with that Angel? Dodgers hat. Chandler's hat. We'll go with the Angels hat just because my shoes are red. So it matches. I'm gonna get the car keys real quick. Where are they? Oh, here they are. Today what we're gonna do is, so I already put the floor mats you guys seen, or did the cutout, whatever. And it's a little dark in here, but I'm gonna get these speaker covers. I'm gonna try and go to Walmart, and that probably bugged me more than the floor mats itself, because every time I drove, that's the only thing I see is like this hole there. So I'll go to Walmart and I'm gonna see if they have, I literally need the cover itself. So go to Walmart, see if the cheaper speaker they have that size, and hopefully they have it, and buy it and then throw on the cover over it. Call it a day. Easy. Very, very easy. Hopefully they have one. We're taking a daily today. Oh, it's a little warm in here. I didn't feel like driving stick on the way to Walmart. Just take the little Civic. Much smoother, better overall. Made it. So they have these, but they look oval to me. I don't know. Are they circular? These are oval. These are oval, but I don't like these. These are cheaper, but I don't know. I don't like them. That's all they have. That was a fail. So I was gonna end up taking the cheaper. Let me lower this real quick. So that was a fail. I was gonna end up taking the cheaper speaker, whatever, just for the cover. And I waited there probably like 20 minutes. Waited. I think they had someone working loss prevention or something, because they were like a couple aisles behind me, and they would keep going around where I was at. So I think that was a loss prevention person. So I'm like, hey, can you guys just open up the glass case for me so I could just take these speakers? And they're like, yeah, let me just call someone with a key. And after waiting 20 minutes, they're like, yeah, we can't find the keys, and I don't know when they're gonna find them. So I just ended up taking off. I just got this. My girl wanted this for her coffee, so that was a fail. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's. It don't matter at this point what I get. I just want the hole covered up, so it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna just go to O'Reilly's and see what they have, if they have anything. I know they have a couple car stuff, so I mean car audio stuff, so hopefully they have something decent looking. So O'Reilly's was a fail. They only had like 2 speakers, and they were the oval kind, not the whole circle, whatever. So I'm gonna try ordering them through Amazon. I know AutoZone has a few more options, but I don't know if I want to go anymore. I'm already a little bit of annoyed because of the whole Walmart thing. Let's play a little bit of video games. What do you want, Turbo? What do you want? Here comes the other guy, our new dog Morgan. Oh, Turbo wants me to pet him. You little dog. Hey. Let's play some Call of Duty. Got my little shake going on. Little diet. Oh yeah. Turbo, why are you crying? Huh? Your girlfriend's outside, that's why you're crying? He's funny. He was outside with a girl, and all of a sudden he's in love. He's by the door crying and howling. Okay. I'm gonna take you out later on and you can see her. It's okay. We gotta go. We got Mr. Box. So this is Mr. Box's new car, 2012 Coyote 5.0. We just came to register it. But it's pretty clean. Leather, everything. Oh no, bro. Automatic. No. We're just registering the car, and we got to come back in 15 minutes for her to give us a permit. Got to smog it and come back, and you get the plates and everything, so it's pretty cool. Much better than the other one, I think. It was just a joke with the truck. He never got the truck. But Yeah, way better, I think.
It's a huge upgrade now.
From a 2000 GT to a 2012?
2012 GT.
And it's a 5.0? Not bad.
Skipped a couple years right there.
You went ahead 12 years. Dang, that's gold right there. What do you think?
Pretty nice. It's a baller setup right there.
Boombox is crying over the registration on this 700. Not even that bad. That would have been the E85 tune right there.
Oh, buddy, I already got the cold air intake in the trunk.
Already got
the installed. Yes, it's California legal.
Already got the Lund tune on this. You just wait right here. Smog ready. Is it gonna pass or not? What do you think? It's gonna pass?
I hope so.
We got a tune on this. He doesn't know anything.
Cold air intake coming.
There's already cold air.
Cold air. I want cold air.
Sheesh. With flying colors, my boy. Pretty cool little spot. There's a motorcycle shop over there.
This is
more motorcycles over here.
This is somewhere like it's cool to work at. Like you get.
Yeah, seems like a lot of work goes in and out of here.
You'll have German on one side, American on one side, Japanese on the other, and motorcycles, smogs and stuff. Yeah. Sometimes upholstery shops and everything.
Yeah. Let's see.
Just don't put my info out there, bro.
Pass. Now we get to this thing. I definitely blew some sort of gasket or something because I was at a red light and out of nowhere it sounded a little deeper, and I got on it after that and it just sounded like a straight pipe single cam Honda or something. Hold it real quick so I could turn it off.
It doesn't sound too good.
Nope. It sounds ugly.
Cold start.
I stopped driving it after that, like probably like 5 minutes after that. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna drive this. So we're just gonna see what we could find. I think it's from like a header or something. I think the gasket messed up. Gotta take off this cover and then see from there, I guess so. So getting one of these bolts out of here, which is one right there, and then another one right there, is gonna be a little pain in the ass because there's not much room. So hopefully I could get it out, and hopefully it's just those two right there because I don't want to have to reach underneath and try and get to another one, but it seems like that's gonna be the case here. Managed to get it in there somehow. This one's already out, so we're gonna do this one. It's a tight fit. Ah, this is a pain in the ass. I really don't care for this little shield, so once it's off, I'm gonna just leave it off. I don't care about it back on. Keep doing it. These two are out. There's two more down there. What I'm thinking is of going to the like a little exhaust muffler shop around here, local, and get underneath it and try and get it through there. I think the exhaust leak is actually from here. So, oh, you can pop open it. It's crusty as hell. You know, hard to see though. Go for it. Probably has a rear diff. So I thought the noise was from up here, but we took off the cover and I hear it all on the bottom now. So yeah.
12?
Oh, it sounds so ugly. I wonder if something split or blew a little gasket somewhere, but hopefully we can find the gasket or whatever it is.
Make our own. Those cork style ones or whatever.
I had some and I threw the whole roll away already. It's almost out. So yeah, we're just at a red light. I was at a red light and then it turned green and I heard a little like boom, like a little deeper. And I was like, wait a minute, it sounds a little deep. And then I just got on it pretty hard and it just sounded like what you guys heard. Which I immediately just went back home. I don't want to drive it like that because it just sounds ugly. Ugly. So yeah. Damn Lotus. So we removed the whole diffuser and everything. This thing was being a little, and it's still being a little pain in the ass. We should just leave it alone for now. I'll grind it off. You guys can see.
Oh, where's the socket?
The socket? Hold up. So we see the problem here. Not go the other way? Shit. It snapped off from right here. You guys can literally see. Go the other way now? Snapped off right there. Wow. Wow. Now I gotta take this to the mad scientist. Order parts from Japan. Well, it is what it is. Gotta fix it. K20 swap this de una vez. Oh no. My neighbors are gonna hate me.
Here we are on this episode of Rice or Nice.
Yeah, I think we're on the right side. We're gonna come on in Drew Peacock's channel. Can't have that. No. Hopefully this guy's not busy and we could get it done like in 10 minutes or so. Let's just get there. So I guess just welding the muffler back on is gonna be the best option, because if I delete the muffler and just run it a straight pipe or another exhaust tip down the back of that, it's gonna be super loud, which is what I don't like. I might as well just leave it like this, so I'm gonna do that. So we're just gonna weld it back together and call it a day.
Back to normal.
Oh yeah, back to the quietness. We're gonna do a pull real quick. Is it green?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Much better.
You can actually hear the VTEC crack now.
Yeah. That shit sounded ugly before. So we put this back good. It was missing a few bolts, so I just put some on the ends. Now it's ready to go back up, and yeah, pretty good. Now it's solid. It's better. Let's finish it up. So everything is buttoned back up. Put the diffuser on and everything. I'm glad that it was just that. A simple fix, because I didn't want to take off the header or something. I did leave the shield that unbolted, because it's a little pain in the ass to bolt back up. So maybe when it cools down, I'm gonna try and remove the last nut that's on this side of the car or header and just remove it completely. I don't care about that little shield, so it probably rattle a bit because it's just in there loose, but it is what it is. She's good again. We don't sound like a Honda for now. Boombox wants to do, he says something's up with his AC and the Mustang he got, so we're gonna try and fix that right now, and hopefully it blows cold. Not like it matters, it's pretty cold out here nowadays in California. We're in winter, officially in winter. After seeing 1 hour, he got it. You can see all the water. So we're pretty much done here. We're done with that. You guys saw Boombox's new car, registered, I smogged it and everything. So see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe.